My name is James Parsons, and I will be speaking to you about why you should choose a career in manufacturing. When you go out to your lawn and get on your riding lawnmower and go out and mow your lawn and make perfect lines like a professional mowing company would, you too can realize that a manufacturing company built, bent, and formed the steel that you are riding on today. Today, I will tell you about some of the equipment you can work on and some of the equipment I work on a daily basis, and some of the careers that you can choose to do in a manufacturing company. Some of the type of the equipment you can work on are punch presses and brake presses. Some of the punch presses go up to 500 tons all the way down to 20 tons of pressure. I work at the Stefano Manufacturing and Tooling, and I am the team leader of the press room. I deal with presses that can bend 1/2x3 steel into a U-shaped form that goes on a riding lawnmower that allows you to turn 90-degree angle. I also work with brake presses that can take a regular sized 1/2-inch piece of steel that looks like a golf club and turn it into a pedal. We deal with flat pieces of steel that we form that can help support the house that you are living in right now. We also make legs for the bottom of your house to also support your house. If you have a retaining wall that is falling down, we make that part to make it straight so your house does not fall over when it rains. Some of the punch presses that we deal with are Acri presses, are Trump presses. They bend and form all types of degrees and angles in manufacturing. Some of the key things in manufacturing that you need to know is how to do math. Math is very keen in our career. You also have to have the encourage to work lean and know the numbers on how you can make your productivity and efficiency on a daily basis. I work in the press room and I am the team leader, and I push productivity and efficiency, and the people that I work with know and understand why you should be lean in a manufacturing company. Some of the careers that you can choose in manufacturing are the typical jobs like the office jobs, the CEO, the accounting, the tool maker, and even a sales rep. Some of the production lines you can work with are brake operators, punch press operators, forklift drivers, and also tool maker. The tool maker is probably one of the coolest jobs you can have. He makes and designs all the tools that we put into our presses and brakes. When you see a press brake form a piece of steel and realize that the tool maker decided to make that from a piece of steel and shape it into a 90-degree angle that you can make that part into. Some of the coolest things you will see is when a 500-ton press that has a die in it comes down and forms a flat piece of steel into a mower deck. You will not believe how cool it is. They can be dangerous, but they are cool if you are safe. Some of the other jobs you can have in manufacturing is welding, a laser operator. They laser cut the steel that you need into shapes that we form and bend, and then after we form and bend them, they weld them together. We also have CNC machines that can make accurate holes and cuts in steel to design the tooling that we make. Now that I have told you about where I work at, why I work there, and what you can do in a manufacturing company, I hope you can decide to become join a manufacturing company and see all the cool things that I see on a daily basis. I am glad to have spoke to you about my company, and I hope one day that you will join my company or another type of manufacturing company to bend and form steel. Thank you.